Hello friends, welcome to the Baba Beck channel. I'm a treasure hunter, science fiction writer, musician, composer, singer, 17 high definition music videos on my playlist, comedian, man of God also. This 1981 scent to the left does not look normal. I can't say why, but it's part of this video. And there's much more to come. I also here found a 1962 scent in high grade that looks very abnormal. Here's a 1992 scent. The D mint mark is missing. 1918 is a farewell come. It's nice to find these nice old scents coming out of a roll. I'm sure all treasure hunters out there love that experience.
Welcome, friends, to Baba Beck website, a YouTuber, millionaire, with 17,000 subscribers, 1.7 million views, and thousands of likes. Let me ask you, do you like rare Lincoln cents? Worth a lot of money? Treasure hunting penny rolls from the bank at home? Do you like 80s pop rock bands? Do you love God in your life, spirituality, miracles? Do you like original comedy? Do you like to read books, sci-fi novels, thrillers, books that should be made into movies? If you said yes to any one of these questions, please click the link below and kindly share, like, and subscribe to Baba Beck YouTube channel. God bless America.
This 1964 descent is not normal. There is some kind of a doubling on it. Could be strike doubling, I'm not really sure. But it is in high grade. So I made it part of this video. There is some doubling right there. I can see it clear, subtle. This 1985 is got some kind of a lamination on it that makes it shine. 1982 small date zinc D missing, clear shot. 1971 Well, hello there. Welcome to the Bubba Beck channel. I'm a singer, a musician, an artist, a one-man band, a Lincoln Cent treasure hunter, science fiction writer, and comedian. I've seen a lot of these 1962 cents, but not in high grades like this. And not so big on the date area. It's a double die on the date part. At least I can see it clearly. It's too big. But that's what I think. Because I've seen 1 million cents in my hand. This hobby made me a multimillionaire. The Big Money playlist is on my channel. Ultra rare Lincoln cents. And today, I also found another 1982 small date, copper, with the D appearing, and I'm creating the post for you. 3 very high grade cents of the 80s, and I'm creating the post for you. So please share, like, and subscribe to my channel if you love the Lincoln cent. I thank you for all the views and subscribes to my channel. If you love the 80s music, I'm a musician, a composer, a singer, a one-man band. When I was in my 30s, I recorded over 100 songs, US government copyrighted, just like albums. Part of that is on my channel. YouTube sold out all traffic related to music to Vivo on their own server. So here indie musicians suffer. Here's a 1937 cent with a D mint mark missing. Clearly, I can see the punch mark. And it's got some improper alloy mixing. Looks like there's just oddity in color and scheme. And at least in the front, I can see it clearly. This one is a gem to me. This old mint mark missing. I mean, it's gotta be one, just one in the whole United States of America. And I got to have it, huh? That's what I love about Lincoln Cent treasure hunting. I prayed to God for this, to guide me. And I was heavily initiated into God. Gave my life, soul, everything to God. Tell me what to do. And this God, this creator, this supreme being that makes planets, galaxies, guided me to do this.